Have you ever dreamed of retiring early and living life on your own terms? Imagine waking up every day with the freedom to choose what you do without worrying about money. This dream is achievable through the journey of financial independence and early retirement, often called FIRE. In this video, we'll explore the 8 levels of financial independence. Each level marks a milestone in your journey to financial freedom, from being financially dependent on others to reaching complete financial abundance. Understanding these levels will help you set clear goals and stay motivated as you work towards your dream of retiring early. Let's start by looking at these stages, each one bringing you closer to a life of freedom and choice. Whether you're just starting or already on your way, this guide will help you navigate your path to financial independence and early retirement. Level 1. Financial dependency. Financial dependency means relying on others for money. This could be parents, guardians, or even credit cards. At this stage, you don't have enough income to support yourself and cover your basic needs. Breaking free from financial dependency is the first step toward financial independence. Here's how you can start. Get a job. Any job is a good start. It helps you gain experience and earn money. Create a budget. Track your income and expenses. Know where your money is going and find ways to save. Cut unnecessary expenses. Focus on needs over wants. Avoid spending on non-essential items. Build financial discipline. Start saving a small portion of your income regularly. Even a little bit can grow over time. Transitioning from financial dependency to financial solvency is challenging but achievable. Level 2. Financial solvency. Financial solvency means you can pay for your basic expenses with your own income. At this stage, you're no longer relying on others for financial support, but you might not have much left over after covering your bills. Reaching financial solvency is an important milestone. Stick to a budget. Continue tracking your income and expenses. Make sure you're not spending more than you earn. Build an emergency fund. Start saving a small amount each month. Aim for at least $500 initially to cover unexpected expenses. Avoid debt. Try not to rely on credit cards or loans for everyday purchases. Pay off any debts as soon as possible. Increase your income. Look for opportunities to earn more, such as part-time jobs, freelancing, or asking for a raise. By managing your money wisely and saving whenever possible, you can move from financial solvency to financial stability. This will set the foundation for a secure financial future. Level 3. Financial stability. Financial stability means having a small emergency fund and being free from high-interest debt. At this stage, you can handle unexpected expenses without falling into financial trouble. Here's how you can achieve financial stability. Save regularly. Continue to build your emergency fund until you have 3 to 6 months of living expenses saved. This acts as a safety net for unexpected costs. Pay off high-interest debt. Focus on paying off any remaining high-interest debt, such as credit cards. This reduces financial stress and frees up more money for savings and investments. Create multiple income streams. Diversify your income by exploring side jobs or passive income opportunities, like investing in stocks or renting out a room. Maintain a budget. Keep tracking your expenses and adjust your budget as needed to ensure you're saving and spending wisely. Reaching financial stability provides a solid foundation for your financial future, allowing you to handle life's surprises without derailing your progress. Level 4. Debt freedom. Debt freedom means being completely free from all consumer debt. This includes credit cards, student loans, car loans, and any other personal loans. At this stage, all your income can be directed towards savings, investments, and personal goals. Here's how you can achieve debt freedom. Create a debt repayment plan. List all your debts and prioritize paying off the highest interest ones first. Use methods like the debt avalanche or debt snowball to stay focused. Stick to a budget. Continue tracking your income and expenses. Cut back on unnecessary spending and allocate extra funds to debt repayment. Avoid new debt. Resist the urge to take on new debt. Avoid using credit cards unless you can pay the balance in full each month. Increase your income. Look for additional income opportunities, such as side jobs, freelancing, or asking for a raise. Use extra earnings to pay off debt faster. Reaching debt freedom is a significant milestone, giving you the financial flexibility to save, invest, and plan for a secure future. Level 5. Financial security. Financial security means having 6 to 12 months of expenses saved in an emergency fund. At this stage, you are well prepared to handle unexpected financial challenges without worrying about running out of money. Here's how you can achieve financial security. Build your emergency fund. Continue saving until you have 6 to 12 months of expenses in a separate, easily accessible account. This fund should only be used for true emergencies. Invest wisely. Start investing in low-risk assets to grow your wealth. Consider options like high-yield savings accounts, certificates of deposit, CDs, or diversified index funds. Protect your income. Ensure you have insurance coverage, such as health, disability, and home insurance, to protect against large, unexpected costs. Maintain financial discipline. Keep living within your means and avoid unnecessary spending to ensure you can keep your emergency fund intact. Achieving financial security provides a strong foundation for future financial growth, allowing you to face life's uncertainties with confidence and peace of mind. Level 6. Financial flexibility. Financial flexibility means having enough savings and investments to take calculated risks or make major life changes without financial stress. At this stage, you can pursue new opportunities like starting a business, taking a sabbatical, or changing careers. Grow your investments. Continue to build and diversify your investment portfolio. Invest in a mix of stocks, bonds, and other assets to increase your wealth. Create multiple income streams. Explore ways to earn passive income, such as rental properties, dividends, or side businesses. Plan for big goals. Set aside money for major life goals and changes. This could be for starting a business, furthering your education, or taking time off work. Stay financially disciplined. Keep managing your budget wisely. Ensure you're saving and investing consistently to maintain and grow your financial flexibility. Achieving financial flexibility gives you the freedom to pursue your dreams and take risks, knowing that you have the financial resources to support you. Level 7. Financial independence. Financial independence means having enough investment income to cover your basic living expenses without needing to work. At this stage, you can live a simple, minimalist lifestyle supported by your investments. Here's how you can achieve financial independence. Increase passive income. Focus on building passive income streams such as dividends from stocks, rental income from properties, or interest from savings. Minimize expenses. Adopt a minimalist lifestyle by cutting unnecessary expenses and focusing on essential needs. This helps you reach financial independence faster. Continue investing. Keep growing your investment portfolio to ensure your passive income remains stable and increases over time. Plan for long-term stability. Make sure your investments are diversified and sustainable to protect against market fluctuations and ensure long-term financial security. Reaching financial independence allows you to live life on your own terms. You can choose how to spend your time, whether it's pursuing hobbies, traveling, or volunteering, without worrying about money. Level 8. Financial abundance. Financial abundance means having more than enough money to meet any foreseeable needs, allowing for significant philanthropy or legacy building. At this stage, your wealth not only covers your luxurious lifestyle, but also supports charitable causes and future generations. Maximize investments. Continue to grow your wealth through high-yield investments, expanding into various profitable ventures. Plan for philanthropy. Decide how much you want to give back. Set up charitable funds. Donate to causes you care about and support community initiatives. Build a legacy. Create financial plans to secure your family's future. This includes setting up trusts, estate planning, and ensuring wealth transfer to future generations. Maintain financial health. Regularly review and adjust your financial plans to sustain your abundance and continue supporting your goals. Achieving financial abundance allows you to enjoy ultimate financial freedom, make a positive impact on the world, and leave a lasting legacy. Now, if you want to learn how to achieve financial success, then watch this video next. And if you made it to this point of the video, please like and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.